Hey, so now we've got the car fixed. Let me show you what I've been up to all week. So, I don't know if you can see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Just there, we redid this. Okay, so if you've been with us for a while, you would have seen that at some point I replaced these. These, well, fixed all of this and put a new rail system on here instead of the crummy angle iron that it was running on. That worked great. We sorted everything out before Christmas when we left. And then when we came back, we were having some issues with calibration and it keeping the calibration. And we did a bunch of testing and I came to the conclusion that it was the MDF plates here that was creating an issue with tram. And tram is like how sort of plumb it is, I guess. And you can see on here, it was off because it's created these lines, these ridges, and we don't want that. So what I did was I got some 6mm steel plate. You can see it's all been drilled out. We had to put some spacers in at the back here, these alley bar spacers to stop the steel plate from rubbing on these, because it's not super duper flat, but it is working perfectly for us now. And I just wanted to share with you our little tramming system, because tramming is always something, again, that's how you make it plumb, is always something you struggle with on a CNC, especially one like this. So you can see here, there's a gap, right? So what we do is, I've got four of these, and these are threaded into this first place and not into this back plate. And so what we do is we take this, and as we tighten it up, just watch that gap, look. Boom, and the gap's gone. Just like the dirt, but not. But yeah, check that out, see? And then we just go around, tighten them all up, double check it, and it's done. Happy days, eh? I would love to know what you think to that. So drop us a comment below. Awesome. So yeah, what do you think to that then, eh? I'm really pleased with how it come out. I think the only issue we're going to have is these little 4 screws that we're using to manoeuvre it around. We might have a bit of an issue with them, so I'm going to put a dab of super glue, see if that holds, because I don't want the vibration to screw everything up. And if that doesn't hold, we'll just probably do it with some Loctite next time. But yeah, really pleased. What do you reckon, eh?